Okay, so when you get your email, you click on two-page newsletter. Click on use template. Then all of the links are already here, info sheet, all of that, spring cleaning. So go to where the links are that we want to change, which are just these here. Then you can use your two fingers to zoom in. Then click on Facebook. Scroll over to where you see link, click on the link. This is my Facebook, so you would just paste in your Facebook and then take your name at the end after .com/, copy this, because this is the easiest way to get your messenger link. This is a part that people usually have trouble with. Oh my gosh, it's not letting me copy. Okay, copy this and then go to Messenger, the Messenger link, and scroll over to link again. And then you'll see Christy.McDade is after the m.me. It's missing a dot there. So take that out and put yours in, and then you'll have your Messenger link. Then when you go to Instagram, you would then go to the link, switch that out. On the phone, if you go over to link, you will see my phone number there. Just replace it with your phone number. In the background, it says TEL:, but once you type that in, it disappears and then it just has the phone number. So all you have to do is replace the phone number. And then for email, same thing. It says mail to : and then my email, but the mail to : disappears, but it is there in the background. So the Vegan for Me, you just put in your email and you'll be good to go. So that's how you switch out the links. Once you're done there, go up to the top, three dots up there, and then go down to share. Now, when you click on share, you need to make sure that you have, instead of edit down here at the bottom, change that to view and then copy the link. This is the link that you can send in Messenger, you can send via text, you can send in an email. This will work to send it any way you would like. Then once you have the link, you can go to bit.ly and make it a smaller link, or you can just send the link as is.